10 plus 10.
20.
Okay, add 2.
22.
Okay, now what's 11 plus 11?
I don't know.
Oh, come on.
How are you doing?
Good, hey, Rumbela, you've grown up.
Do you know how old I am?
You are, let me guess. Don't tell me. You are 5.
No, I'm 6 now.
Oh, man. Really?
Guess me.
You? If he's 6, you are
On top of a full-time job.
7. No. Yes? Yay, give me 5. Boom. Again. Boom. You 6? No, he's 6, you 7. What grade are you in now?
First grade.
First grade?
Yeah.
Really? What did you learn in first grade? Math? What's 1 plus 1?
2.
2 plus 2?
4.
4 plus 2?
12 seconds later.
Come on.
A few moments later.
7.
Do you know?
Yeah, 7.
7?
Wrong.
What's 7 plus 2?
Yourself.
9.
Okay, what's 9 plus 2?
Her nose and
11.
11. Okay, what's 11 plus 11?
A few moments later.
Uh-oh, do you know?
No.
Come on, you smart.
Try doing 10 plus 10.
Okay, 10 plus 10.
20.
Okay, now 11 plus 11.
Ah!
Ah, come on, you can do it. You can read now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do it on a computer.
On the computer.
Yeah.
You know how to use computer now?
Yeah.
Really?
Only if it's a reading test.
Are you good at reading? Yeah?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Do you read books?
Yeah.
You
Some
do?
are hard, some are.
Do you read, Hussein?
You got to tell her. Oh,
Can Khalid talk yet or he still can't talk?
I only can't still talk.
Why not? You're not teaching him to talk?
He knows how to say hi and bye.
That's
He
it?
knows how to say mommy, daddy, and he even knows the same name except for me.
Wait, he doesn't know your name?
He doesn't know my name. He knows the Saint's name.
How did that happen? You Hussein, you're not
And
teaching.
also he knows how to say baby.
Oh, because he's a baby, huh?
Yeah.
You need to teach him your name. You're his sister, right?
Yeah. If
Is your name hard for him?
Yeah.
What's your name? Rombelako?
No.
Rombelato?
No. Rombella.
No. No. What's your name?
Hussein?
Huseino?
No, Hussein.
Who's?
No, Hussein.
Okay, Hussein. Right?
Hussein. What? You just said Hussein.
Hussein.
What, Hussein?
Yeah.
Do you know how to spell my name?
Ah, shoot. I suck at spelling. You see your name spelled Hussein?
No, it's H-U-S-S.
No, it's H-U-Z. Right, Rombela? You're good at spelling, right? Okay.
H-U-S-S-E-I-N.
No, you mean H-U-Z. No? Okay, spell her name.
R-U-N-D-I.
Oh my God, he doesn't know how to spell your name.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
It's V-I-L.
Oh my God, she forgot her own name.
What? R-U-N-V-I-L-A.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, is that right? Okay, good job. Keep up, okay? Be smart. Don't be dumb like Hussein. You dumb? You dumb?
No.
You want to be dumb?
No.
You'll get a lot of candy if you dumb. I'll give you a lot of candy if you dumb. Are you dumb? No?
No. Not me.
You smart?
Yeah.
Okay, then what's 11 plus 11? You got caught. You don't know. How about you? Okay, what's 10 plus 10?
20.
Okay, add 2.
22.
Okay, now what's 11 plus 11?
I don't know.
Oh, come on, Rombela.
That's that part.
Okay, look. Take 10, add 10. What's that? 10 plus 10.
20.
Okay, add 2.
22.
Okay, now what's 11 plus 11?
I don't know.
Oh, come on. How about you?
Nope.
Okay, then you guys suck at math. You guys suck at math. You lied to me. Are you a liar?
She's so focused on
Oh, so you liar. How about you? Are you a liar? Do you tell lies?
No.
Then yes, you do. You lied to me. You said you're good at math.
I am good at math. I just don't know what 11 plus 11 equals.
But you know what 10 plus 10 equals?
Yeah.
Plus 2.
22.
Okay. Okay, you want to count with your fingers then? Maybe you'll figure out.
Hey.
She's getting annoyed.
11 plus 11 equals 22.
We just want to get it right.
Yeah.
We don't want to mess up the birth certificate.
It's
It's one of
22.
those things that's a legal document.
Next time if someone asks you 11 plus 11, it's just 10 plus 10 and then you add 2, 22. Get it? Okay, you're gonna be smart. This guy is the dum-dum. You don't want to be him. Do you want to be like him?
They all want to be like me.
Is that right?
Trying to be like me. At least this guy. I don't know about him.
Oh, you a dum-dum
No, he's a
then.
good boy.
Oh my God.
He's smart, okay? This guy has good grades. He's trying to do sports. You see him getting.
Ooh. What sport do you want to play? I think you should be walking around here too.
I want to play basketball.
Basketball.
I told you.
A few moments later.
Do that again?
I don't know what it's doing.
He's opening his eyes.
Oh, nice. What else can you do?
Oh no.
Oh no, run away. What can you do? Do you have a skill? Not yet? You can smile. That's your talent. Smile. Ah, there you go.
A few moments later.
And I still don't.
She will have to think about it.
I still don't know what 11 plus 11 equals.
I told her.
22.
Yeah. Yeah. Ah. You'll be fine. You will learn. Don't be like this guy over here.
Yeah, very funny.
Okay, well, talk to you guys later, okay? Oh, hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe because I'm gonna keep posting awesome videos for you guys and you don't wanna miss any of those videos. So make sure to subscribe. And until next time, it's been me, Abdimalik Malim, and you've been watching Abdimalik TV, and I'm out of here. So subscribe.